Crystals and stones have been cherished by humanity for millennia, not just for their beauty, but for their profound connection to our emotional and spiritual well-being. Beyond being adornments or decorations, these treasures of the earth carry unique vibrations and energies that resonate deeply with our own. Crystals can offer a sense of grounding, healing, and inspiration, helping us align with the energy of the universe and our inner selves. They are powerful tools for self-discovery, balance, and connection. But did you know that crystals can also be linked to the chakra system? Just as each chakra is associated with a specific colour and energy, there are specific crystals and stones that harmonise with each chakra, amplifying its energy and helping to restore balance. These vibrant gems not only symbolise beauty, but also radiate vibrations that can resonate with your physical and spiritual energy. Crystals and stones can play a direct role in shaping your auric field and aligning your chakras. Choosing the right crystals and working with them intentionally can deepen the connection between your body, mind, and soul. They offer more than just a sparkly surface. They're tools for transformation and inner harmony. So how are chakras and crystals connected? Well, chakras are energy centers within your body that help you feel balanced, grounded, and aligned. They influence everything from your emotions and thoughts to your sense of connection with the world. Just as the chakras play a crucial role in your inner energy system, crystals act as amplifiers and harmonizers, channeling energy to help these wheels of life spin smoothly. Using the right crystals for each chakra can help you feel more vibrant, balanced, and aligned with your highest self. So let's explore now the amazing relationship between crystals and the chakra system. Whether you're new to working with stones or having a growing collection, this guide hopefully will help you understand how to use them for your spiritual journey. Starting with the Root Chakra, Muladhara. The Root Chakra, located at the base of your spine, represents safety, stability, and grounding. It's like the foundation of your energy system. When it's balanced, you feel secure and connected to the earth. The best crystals for your root chakra are deep red or black stones that resonate with grounding energy. Red Jasper, that provides strength, endurance, and grounding energy. Black tourmaline protects against negativity and supports a sense of safety. Hematite balances the body and connects deeply to Earth's energy. And smoky quartz transmutes negative energy and strengthens grounding. These stones can help you feel centered, protected, secure. Now the sacral chakra, Svadhisthana, is located near your navel, and it governs creativity, passion, and emotions. It's associated with the colour orange and the flow of water. Crystals that resonate with the sacral chakra include carnelian, which sparks creativity, vitality, and self-confidence. Orange calcite, which releases emotional blocks and promotes joy. Amber, a fossilized resin that offers warmth and nurtures emotional healing. And the sunstone, which inspires empowerment, happiness, and emotional balance. These stones help you embrace your emotions, express yourself freely, and enjoy life's pleasures. The solar plexus chakra, Manipura, is located in the stomach area. It's all about personal power, confidence, and energy. It glows with the energy of the sun. To balance this chakra, choose yellow or golden crystals like citrine, which boosts confidence, positivity, and abundance. The tiger's eye encourages courage, clarity, and decision-making. Pyrite protects the energy and attracts prosperity. And golden topaz which supports focus and amplifies personal power. These stones can help you feel energized, empowered, and ready to take charge of your life. Now, the heart chakra, Anahata, is of course located in the center of your chest. It represents love, kindness, and compassion. Its energy bridges the physical and spiritual worlds. So crystals that support the heart chakra include the rose quartz, which radiates unconditional love and emotional healing. Green aventurine attracts abundance and nurtures the heart's energy. And malachite encourages transformation and emotional release. Don't forget emerald, that connects you to divine love and balance. These stones can help you embrace love both for yourself and others, creating a space for healing and connection. Now, Vishuddha, the throat chakra, is located in the center of your neck, and this governs communication and self-expression. It resonates with the color blue and the element of ether. To open and align this chakra, try using blue lace agate. It calms emotions and promotes thoughtful communication. Aquamarine inspires courage and clarity in expressing your truth. Lapis lazuli strengthens self-expression and inner wisdom. And sodalite enhances clarity, intuition, and balanced communication. These crystals can help you speak your truth and express yourself authentically. Now, Ajna is the third eye chakra located between your eyebrows. It's the center of intuition, awareness, and insight. For the third eye chakra, use amethyst, which enhances spiritual awareness and intuition. Labradorite, which awakens psychic abilities and inner vision. Fluorite promotes mental clarity and focus. And iolite supports deep meditation and dream work. Using these stones can help you trust your intuition and see life with greater clarity. Now, Sahasrara, the crown chakra, is located at the top of your head. This represents your connection to the universe and divine wisdom. Crystals that enhance the crown chakra include Clear Quartz, which amplifies energy and connects to higher consciousness. Selenite, which purifies energy and promotes spiritual clarity. Amethyst, which supports spiritual growth and enlightenment. And the diamond, which symbolizes divine light and spiritual clarity. These stones inspire unity, peace, and a sense of universal connection. So crystals and stones offer a beautiful way to nurture your energy, align your chakras, and deepen your spiritual journey. Whether you wear them, meditate with them, or simply place them in your space, these earthly treasures can help you feel more balanced, connected, and empowered. By working with the right stones for your chakras, you can create harmony in your body, mind, and spirit. So, why not explore their magic and discover how they resonate with your energy? You might just uncover a new layer of meaning and inspiration in your life. Enjoy.